Hey guys, I am Jessica and I am here to talk to you about Bloom United. For those of you who know me, you're going, what are you talking about right now? And what are you doing? Because you're a crazy busy person. I am. Me and my husband own an electronic cigarette company and we have 5 stores. An online processing facility. We own a record store. I'm a dance teacher, and I am the mom of 2 beautiful little babies. Logan, who is 3, well, he's not a baby, but he'll always be my baby, and Sophia, who is 7 months old. And through all of this, I decided that I wanted to become an independent artist with mascara. I am not a salesy person at all. I tend to avoid my storefronts because it makes me uncomfortable to sell things, unless I'm really confident about it, and I am. I'm not here to sell this to you. I'm here to bring it to Western Maryland, and to women who need a change in their life, because it made an epic change in mine. The couple people that know about it have been like, well, what kind of mascara do they sell? I'm like, oh, they don't sell mascara. And if they did, it would have to be a pretty epic mascara for it to build up to the name. So a cosmetologist named Kara made mascara. So nice little fun play on word for you there. And she did it for several reasons, but one, because there just wasn't quality makeup for every skin type, every skin color, whether you have rosacea or you have acne, you have dry skin, you have oily skin, you have pigmentation issues, you have discoloration issues, wrinkles, anything. There wasn't a makeup that covered everything. Normally you're given 6, 8 colors flat, 1 color foundation or powder, and you just pick it and you put the same color all over your face. Well, and that's the thing, is that your face is 3-dimensional and you have lots of different colors going on in your beautiful face and your beautiful skin, and to just throw a color on there that's ends up looking cakey on your skin, or ends up not lasting as long as you want it to, or ends up making you break out, or you don't know the ingredients that you're putting on your body and it has a million of them. And the other big thing is our makeup drawers, and I know you know what I'm talking about. Your makeup drawer is full of just dozens of products that you've just bought randomly, that you bought a month ago or 5 months ago or a year ago, that you use 2 pieces out of, and then it just sits there. And you're just gambling buying all of this stuff when it's just chaotic and it's messy and it takes a long time, and you end up just being disorganized. And as a mom, I can't function that way. I need to be organized. In my life, I need to be organized. So when I had my son, Logan, it was crazy. It was a year into it, and I ended up having postpartum depression, but more in the forefront was postpartum anxiety, and it was pretty debilitating. And through help and a lot of talking, I ended up working my way through it. But when I got pregnant with Sophia, I was determined to make sure, not that you can help it, but I was trying my best to get in a really clear mindset and really focus on keeping me healthy and focusing on me and not letting myself go to the wayside. Because any of you that are moms out there, when you have your first baby, you just disappear. It is all about them. Even the husbands disappear. It's all about the baby. And it's hard to find yourself in motherhood. And mascara helped me find me. And it starts my morning off organized, clean, precise, and I feel beautiful. I feel beautiful. And that is why I am bringing this to Western Maryland, because there isn't one for hundreds of miles, and you have to find some random person to buy this off of. And I'm doing months, probably the rest of my life, worth of studying and research on color theory and what works with what, and if you're wearing this, or if you have this color skin tone but you have this type of lighting, like, you know what I mean? Like, there's just a lot of information that needs to go into you and what works for you. And it's my job to make sure that I know what works for everyone. And I'm really putting my whole self into this because I'm so deeply obsessed with this makeup. Like, I'm no joke. I'm like deeply obsessed with it. So this is mascara. So everything, I'm not joking, guys, literally all of your makeup fits in a compact. And this is the biggest compact you can get, mind you. Like, this is the biggest one. There are other ones. I wish I had the other ones. I wish I was more prepared for you. Oh, I have one right here. They do have, like, this is the next size down. It's a little bit smaller. So, but inside of here, and this is probably dirty. Yeah, it's dirty, but it's all right because you can see that I actually use this makeup. So it is a compact, and how this works is you buy these tins and they magnetically stick inside this compact. So you can switch out colors. It's just organizes your entire makeup drawer into this. And the great thing is that you're not sacrificing quality. Like, this stuff is like the bomb. Not to sound like a millennial, but it's the bomb. It's like really good. I can't even imagine using another product now after using this. So mascara uses a cream-based foundation model for everything. And it applies very differently. I'm not gonna lie. There was a time when I first got this that I put this down and I was like, this is too hard. I just can't do this. And I'm here to help troubleshoot that, because with practice, it is literally the best thing that will like happen to your morning routine. Like, no joke. And my issue when I was using is that I was using too much. So cream foundations are 35% pigmented, when your liquid foundation and your powdered foundation are like 8% pigmented. So you need like just a teeny little bit to go over your whole face. It covers so incredibly well. So it's just, you're used to putting on all of this makeup when all you need is such a light little amount that goes over your face, and that is it. So it just takes a different hand, and that's what it takes to get used to this. But I'm here to teach that to you, because I swear, you will never go back to your other makeup after you try this. So how it works is called highlight, even though it's not really your highlight, it's your main foundation color. So this is my main foundation color. The next color down here is my highlight color. So my foundation color goes everywhere. My highlight color goes under my eyes and the mask of your face, down your nose, and then your contour. Everyone's like, oh my God, contour? Like, unless you're like a makeup buff, you're like, contouring is too difficult. Like, it's just too much. You have to do all these colors. It's just whatever. But the great thing about mascara is that this is a 3-dimensional makeup. So your face is 3-dimensional, and it helps bring that out. So I will show you videos, I will show you in person, I will come to your house, I'll do whatever I need to do, but literally I can do my makeup, I'm not joking, in 5 minutes. Like, I can do this makeup in 5 minutes. And I'm not gonna lie, I did this makeup at 4:30 in the morning this morning. 4:30, and it still looks like this. Anyways, getting back on track, this is your contour, and then I have 2 blushes in here because I like to switch it up based on what I'm doing. This is Bella Bronzer, which you don't need. I just like to look tan, and I like to add a little light layer onto that. These 2 are illuminators, that like glowy stuff that you put on your nose and on your cheekbones. And then this is your setting powder. And then for me, what you don't need, because I never used to wear eyeshadows, like ever, until I started getting into mascara, and now I feel like naked without it. On my second layer, I have all of my eyeshadows. So I'm not joking, all of this fits in this. So I use my eyeshadows as my liner on my eyes. The blush is a lip and cheek. So it is ultra hydrating, and you can use it on your lips and you can use it on your cheeks. So that's the amazing part. The other thing are these crazy brushes. They're gold. Like everyone, all the videos I was watching was like, you don't know how good these brushes are until you get them. And I was like, whatever, it's a freaking brush. Like, oh, but they really are. They really are. Like, they have like the perfect density and they're so soft. And the great thing about creams is once you dip it and you put it on your face, all of it's gone. You can dip it in another color and it like just keeps applying. Oh my God. I could literally talk about this forever, but I'm not going to. I'm going to end this video with just telling you that this product has changed how I feel as a woman, how I function as a woman, and how it's made me just overall arc into this next level of my life. And it's crazy what one little thing can do for you. And I'm not saying you need makeup to feel confident and you need makeup to feel beautiful. You don't, and I don't, but it elevates me and it makes me feel good about myself, and whatever makes you feel good about you is what you should do. And if anybody wants this, I am here for you. If you don't want it, oh well, no big deal. It's not for you, it's not for you. I am not here to push this on you. I'm just here to offer this to you if you want it. I will be having a launch party at Madison Page, and if you're watching this later, you're going to be like, well, this was over a long time ago. A launch party at Madison Page, this amazing boutique if you've not visited, in Frostburg, Maryland. I can literally see it from my bedroom window. On Saturday the 28th at 12 p.m. So hopefully you can come check this out. I'll have a sample over there before then if you want to just like go look at it and see what this is about. But yeah, I am here for you. I am here to color match you. I am here to help make you feel beautiful and make you feel confident, to clean up your makeup drawer and give you some organization in your life. So if you want to talk about any of this stuff before then, you can go to my website at www.teambloomunited.com, or I'm on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest and YouTube and all that stuff. If you just type in Bloom United, you will find me. So thank you all so much. Again, my name is Jessica, and I love you all, and I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful day because you deserve it. And I will talk to you all super soon. Mwah! See ya.